North Central Service Metra line. We have the final inbound Metra of the day actually on the North Central Service. Wait, where'd the train go? Oh, I think I see it. Yeah, there it is. Okay. Okay, so here comes inbound Metra number 116, the final inbound Metra of the day, about to come into Rosemont. Oh, I think we have an F40. Yeah, I think that's 217, guys. Yeah, it is 4 coaches and it's 217. Oh, 8412 is covered. Look at that, 217. Yes.
217.
Yeah.
Like 217?
Yeah, I like 217.
Most people have fun.
Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun.
All right, guys.
Take care. You guys. Bye-bye. That guy was really nice. Yeah. All right, here goes inbound Metro 116. About to depart off to Schiller Park. There goes the 217, guys, south to Union Station. We'll see this later on the final outbound Metro of the day.
North Central Service train number 109 to Antioch is now arriving. Please step behind the yellow line.
All right, guys, we have outbound Metro. We have our first outbound Metro to Antioch about to arrive Rosemont. We got an MP36 on the head.
Please step behind the yellow line.
I told Dad most MP36s don't run on this line, but they sort of do. Exactly. 426. Sweet. Well, it turns out MP36s do run on this line. I think it's more. I think it's boarding on this track because I think we're about to see an outbound Metro Express. Bye! Thank you. Bye-bye. I don't know. Did it do a shave and a haircut? Because I didn't listen very well. Maybe it did. I'm not sure. Well, we do have car 8464. I never see the short window cab cars be the cab car on this line. Sometimes they be on the UP Union Pacific lines. That's shocking. I need to face this. So that's to this side so you guys can see it better. There goes that train, guys, north to Antioch.
Train approaching your station will not stop. For your safety, please step behind the yellow line.
All right, guys, we have an outbound Metro Express to Antioch about to come through. What's the station? Rosemont. Oh, it's coming on that track again. 77. I think that was cab car 8501. That was about like 69 miles an hour. Pretty fast. There goes that train north to Antioch. Alright guys, we have an outbound metro. We have another outbound metro to Antioch. We got an F59 PH3.
That's a great train. I have a peanut butter.
Please tell me it's 98. It is 98. Great. Okay, finally, 98. 98. Finally, I saw 98. I see 97 and 99. Can I go over there? Can I go all the way over there to the end? Thank you. Alright guys, here goes the 98, about to depart. Rosemont. There we go. That's the horn I was looking for. That kind of shocked me a little bit. Cab car 8548. There goes that Metra north to Antioch. Okay guys, here comes our final train of the day, aka the final North Central service train of the entire day, which is a northbound Metra to Antioch, aka outbound Metra Route 117. About to pull into Rosemont. And it looks like we have 217. You know, it should go by now. This train also has no bud car. There are 3 cab cars on this train.
There.
Hi. Hey. Thank you. You too. That's awesome. That was perfect. Thank you. Bye-bye. That was great. 4 coaches with no bud car and 3 cab cars. 8530. What a great day at Rosemont. We got different engines. We got an FP36, an F59, an F59 PH3, and an F40. There goes the 217 north to Antioch, guys. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.